so today we'll be looking at auto-ionization of water. Okay, so water actually is a weak electrolyte, but it has a tendency of ionizing into what? Ions in solution. Okay, so what is auto-ionization of water? When you have water, let's say this is water. Okay, water can ionize into hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Okay, so when you are talking about two molecules of water, if I have two molecules of water, these can also ionize into hydrozonium ion and hydroxide ion too. Okay, so what is happening here is what we call auto-ionization of water. So if we take the equilibrium constant, if we write the equilibrium constant of this expression for activity series for the ion, so we have that Ka is equal to concentration of, let's work with this, hydrogen ion multiplied by concentration of what? Hydroxide ion, okay? Divided by water, which is what? The equilibrium constant for water is 1. The equilibrium constant for water is what? The activity of water is 1. Okay, so that Ka will be equal to concentration of hydrogen ion multiplied by that of what? Hydroxide ion. So this Ka can also experimentally determined to be what? Kw, which is equal to a value 1.0 times 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay, where Kw is known as the ionic product of water, determined experimentally. Okay, so that Kw is equal to concentration of hydrogen ion, that of what? Hydroxide ion. So since the value of this Kw is simply going to be, I can just turn this thing the other way around to look the same way. It will have hydrogen ion multiplied by hydroxide ion is equal to Kw. Okay, so we have hydrogen ion concentration multiplied by hydroxide ion concentration is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay, so taking the negative log of both sides. If you take negative log of both sides, you're going to have minus negative log of hydrogen ion concentration plus minus log of hydroxide ion concentration is equal to negative log of this value is 14. Okay, so the negative log of this will give you pH plus negative log of this will give you what? POH equal to what? 14. So this is, you can be able to generate this equation. Okay, so this is simply what we call the auto-ionization of water to give us this final equation, which is also helpful. We can use this equation to do a lot of solvings in the concept of pH and POH.